Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling something that is super important that each and everyone interacts with every single day: the different numbers on and around our bank accounts. Specifically, we are going to break them down into the account number, the IBAN and the card number, using Alrajhi Bank in Saudi Arabia as our prime example. So why is this very important, you ask? Whether you are sending money, receiving money, or making online purchases, or even just checking your bank account balance, understanding these identifiers will help to save you a lot of confusion and potential headaches. So let's dive in. First up, let's look at the account number. The account number, your unique identifier, your personal ID. For Alrajhi Bank, it contains only 15 digits. Where do you find it? When you check your physical credit or debit card, it's absolutely no, you can't find it there. When you check your Alrajhi mobile app, once you log in, you check under account details, yes, you can find it. Once you go for online banking, it is also easy to locate. And also on your bank statement, you can find your account number. So when do you use it? Primarily, we use the account number for domestic transfers, for internal transfers. When you're trying to send money from Alrajhi Bank, maybe to a bank inside Saudi Arabia like STC Bank or any bank, you use your account number. Then, it's less commonly used for international transfers. That's where our second character comes in handy. That's your IBAN. IBAN stands for International Bank Account Number. Your IBAN is like your global address. It's your passport. An IBAN for Alrajhi Bank contains 24 alphanumeric characters. It starts with SA, that denotes Saudi Arabia, followed by 2 check digits and a series of numerous numbers that incorporate your bank code and also your actual account number. So where do you find it? When you check your physical card, it's not there. When you check your mobile app for Alrajhi, once you log in, just next to your account number, you can see your IBAN number. Then also, when you check your online banking, it's also easy to locate, and also on your bank statement, you can find your IBAN number. When do you use it? This is normally used for international transfers. For example, a person in China wants to send you money and you are situated in Saudi Arabia, he will ask for your IBAN, not for your account number. Finally, let's look at the last character, that is your card number. But before I go to the last character, think of this. Your account number is like your house apartment number. Then your IBAN is like your global address or your postal code. Your postal code contains the country and also the street name and even the house apartment number. So the IBAN helps everyone to be located anywhere in the world. If you are sending money to China, or if someone in China or any other country that is outside Saudi Arabia wants to send you money, he will use the IBAN. Then now let's talk about the final character, and that's the card number. Most of you are familiar with this. Just at the front of your card, there are a series of digits. There are 16 in number that are printed on the card. So where do you find it? Bingo! Once you check your physical credit or debit card of Alrajhi Bank, you will see it embossed on the front. If you check your Alrajhi mobile app, once you log in, yes, you can see only 4 digits. Other digits will be masked. When you check your online banking, yes, you also see 4 digits. Other digits will be masked. And the purpose of that is only for security reason. What is it used for? This card number is normally used for making online purchases. When you are making an online purchase, they require you to state the card number and also to state the expiry date. That includes the month and the year, and also the CVV. The CVV is a 3-digit security code that is found at the back of your physical credit or debit card. So you make online purchases, online shopping, paying subscription, and also point of sale. Maybe if you go to a store, at times you just swipe or tap to make such a quick transaction. Make sure that never to share your details of the card, maybe your expiry date, your CVV, your card number, to anyone that you don't trust, and your bank will never ask you for those details, even if it's via phone, email, text. So to avoid phishing, never share the card details. So that's a security tip that I'm leaving with you. So let's make a quick recap on what we have covered. We talked about the account number, which contains 15 digits, and this is your internal ID. So it is normally used for local or domestic transfers. Then I also talked about the IBAN, which is your global address. It is used for international transfers and it contains 24 alphanumeric characters. Then finally, I talked about the card number, which contains only 16 digits, and this is used for making online purchases. There you have it. Hopefully, this has helped to demystify the banking numbers that you encounter on your Alrajhi Bank, and understanding these numbers will make your banking experience smoother and more secure. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more banking and finance tips, and let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.